And just have to ignore them, you know? Always the hungry one. I mean, I see them, you know, trust me.
Okay, boom, viewers. Welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. But there's a few trending topics I see popping in dancehall that we need to discuss. Not in any particular order, so just watch at the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. This is you see on the screen, the people then on Shorty live was asking the questions that them wasn't supposed to ask. You see, man, but you know, Shorty give them a lot of vibes and response, a little bit. You see, man, we're talking about, you know, Sidem and Kartel, obviously, you know, making the rounds on social media, going viral every second. You see, man, and you know, them say Shorty is heartbroken, so let's hear what going for that to go on and then we proceed.
Not a problem, girl. Your bills coming first. What up, guys? What up, what up? But I think about them breed and if come out, that's a too trouble breed, you know. A true man, cause me have my friend party if I go Friday. And I need to get out them breeds and trust me, that stress me. It just stress me to come out, you fuck. And just have to ignore them, you know. Always the hungry one. I mean, I see them, you know, trust me. People just love look notice, yeah. And I have to just ignore them too. Look up at the art, man. You're outside December. I'm outside every day. Morning, noon and night. I'm a businesswoman. I know I don't know what I mean. Explain. Oh. All these hungry people was... Good night. Alright, and then feel like them can't program me. Them can't program me, and them can't get me be a certain type of way. They will never see that. I think it's time for them to give up now, because them now see what them want. They need to give the fuck up. And they will never ever see that. Never, ever, ever. Crazy. Let's see a page. Use a fake page, you know, so. Come just a talk which part. One British. Anytime I come, people get kicked down. Somebody black Mona Lisa. Who black her? Who black my friend? Who did that? Somebody do it by mistake or something? No, it's not somebody more black than somebody. So you know now. I saw she stay Mona Lisa, she not play, you know, she just jump across fence and kick her teeth. Yeah man, British jump across fence hard. My, me tell you no. Trudy look like she gonna grab a bag. Good night. We go for the army.
Yes, put in the comment section what you think about that. As I said, people, Shorty don't have nothing to worry about because her kids are practically grown and they're rich. You feel me? Because you know them mom do music and all of these stuff, and you know them father done set them up, you know, will and all of these things. So, you know, Shorty and the rest of the baby mother, them now get really nothing. You see me, I say more than child support. You feel me? And see them is getting what any other woman would get from, you know, their man, you know what I mean? Love and affection, X, Y, and Z. Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. Now, Usain Bolt is shutting down rumors that he got back him, you know, $12+ million US. You see, man, I say, 'cause, you know, SLL is feeling to give back, you know, most of their clients their money through insurance and all of these things. And, you know, bro, God, and name I get called up and stuff. But he's making it known that they're banking on the country youth for love for their country. And I mean, meaning that they're hoping that Usain Bolt love for Jamaica, you know, he would just take the loss and don't expose, you know, these corrupt guys. You see what I say? But Usain Bolt asks them, do they love the country? Or do they love themselves? Obviously, them love themselves because them only are enrich themselves and nobody else. You see what I say? But that is a different topic. You see what I say? Because we know we have a lot of JLP, PNP, gang babies that follow me. You see what I say? We want to school them in a different video. But I'm just giving that update while going for the go on. He ain't get his money back, you feel me? And guess who's going to have to pay Usain Bolt back? You, the taxpayers of Jamaica. Anyway, let's proceed to more BWOY Mixup.
My business, me no business with nobody business. Me stay out of the way, I'm a live man. Me no business with nobody business. No power, you know what I feel about your lips them. Me dying for you try that thing because I love your lips.
Yes, people, the latest topic now is dancehall queen Spice. Sisima say, them say she a copy Shenseea freakish ways. For some reason, I don't know. You see, man, I say, 'cause you know Spice do a song where they are about no Shenseea and Young Miami and all of them, but them want spitting a mouth and golden shower and all of this stuff. So let's take a quick reminder and then we'll proceed to what Spice has to say about this whole ordeal.
Yeah, just like giddy up and me will ride for you. Spitting on me mouth, coming like that too. Me and my friend, I'm a talk and ting. I'ma realize me now do certain thing. Feel like me out of place and think. Me now do them the freaky thing. Papa, whatever. Me know fuck. Say me everyone. This me now do, me now go take you back. Burst spitting them out. Oh, yeah.
So now you're gonna see why the people them is saying what they're saying on the Spice comment section. Like, LOL, didn't she say she didn't do all of that stuff? You see me saying Spice's response was, yes, she did, but no, she's willing to let Noah do it to her. You see me say, she said, look at his lips, and you'll see why. You see me say, put in the comment section where you think about that, because we know say Spice a liar, you know. People with no say Spice a liar, and we know say man and yam Spice left, right, and center. And if you don't believe me, let us roll exhibit number 8. You see, putting out a comment section where you think about that, because that's what they're saying over there on the Spice comment section. You see me? She was dating an American. Because them say, Noah's from Brooklyn and them can't do them thing there and stand up next to a bad man. You see me? I say, yeah. Anyway, people, we're not going along with this review any longer. We have more bagga for drop. You see me? I say, make sure subscribe, hit the notification button, be notified whenever I drop the latest videos in dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.